Lesson 53.
Nie.
Well, Sergey, that sounded very palatalized to me.
Yes, the tongue is resting right on the roof of my mouth. Nie. Versus if it was not palatalized, it would sound like ne.
If you use that in a sentence, are you going to pronounce it with that full pronunciation, or is it going to be just a quick?
That's a great point. Yeah, in conversation, it would probably be a little shorter. It'd be like nie. So you wouldn't necessarily say nie. You wouldn't really emphasize the yeah. Like if you were to say not bad, неплохо. It's interesting because like within a word, if you have a stress, like we were talking about, the previous syllable will be unstressed, so it'll be like shortened. Mm-hmm. But when you combine two words, it kind of does the same thing. Yeah. So like неплохо becomes almost like one word.
In the book here, we said it can sound something like ni, like because it's so quick.
Right. I can also imagine like if you want to emphasize a certain point of a sentence.
Yeah.
Because you know how you could like, since you could say it in any order in Russian. So like if I'm just saying я не пилот, it's like я не пилот.
Right.
Like if you wanted to emphasize it, you might pronounce it more. Yeah. Я не пилот.
So, Sergey, you can just throw in this word in any sentence and it will negate the verb, right? It's just like throwing in the word not into an English sentence.
Exactly, yes.
So in exercise 2, it would say, I am not a pilot.
Я не пилот.
So it's really simple to use. You just add it to the sentence, and it means not. Is there any certain place that we put it? Put it near the verb, after the verb, or right before the verb?
Well, we don't even have a verb
I was going to say, normally you would go before the verb, but we don't have a verb here.
But when we get a verb...
When we get a verb, it would go before the verb.